Heat welding circles, shapes, and curves is now easier than ever using turbo heat welding tools. Start by removing the back wheels of the Master Turbo Groover and placing it over the seam. Simply trace along the seam to groove out the shape. Using your detail nozzle, begin heat welding by tracing along the groove. Heat welding with the detail nozzle is far easier than using conventional tips because you simply have to trace along the seam without worrying about scorching or burning the flooring material. Finish heat welding the shape by skiving off the excess heat welding rod in 2 passes. For further assurance, feel free to tape off the edges to prevent any scorching or unwanted burning. The benefit of the detail nozzle is that it allows the installer to take their time while heat welding without worrying about ruining the job. The detail nozzle is designed with preheating jets that preheat the floor and the welding rod for a stronger and more consistent weld. All turbo tools come with a lifetime guarantee, which means that if anything ever happens to your tools, simply send them back for a free replacement for life. Every purchase comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that if you're not happy with the tools or the performance, simply send them back and you'll get a full refund, no questions asked.